Wagwan people, top of the morning. Top of the morning.
Let's get this shit. Let's top of the morning, 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 top of the morning.
Philly, let's see Wagwan on the way right now. Have my coffee, 7-Eleven coffee. In the US of A, I'm back. Let's effing go. Made it downtown Philly. Alright people, so we just got to the Airbnb tour, Philly. Here's the key to get in, and here we are. Beautiful. Closet here, jacket closet here. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2, this is my room. Closet, and stuff in the corner already. Okay, AC is in the unit. Bedroom number 2 or number 1 I should say. Nice, spacious. Closet. A lot of closet space in this unit. Privacy, you have the doors here. Doors here. Bathroom's there, it's being occupied right now. And this is the living room. Okay. This is the kitchen. Okay. Cabinets. Microwave, stove, coffee maker, more cabinets. Okay, glasses. Fridge. You've seen a fridge, you've seen them all. It's just a regular fridge. Oh yeah, some reposado there. Fridge. Cool. Alright man. Dishwasher, stove, oven, TV, full TV, smart TV. Okay. Nice plants, nice decoration. A lot of space to entertain, to chill. This is the view. Alright. This is Philly. Let's see what the area has to offer. Looks okay so far. No complaints. No major complaints. You can see the flag there. USA. Alright. And that's it, man. So please subscribe to this channel. You already know the vibe. And I'm out. Peace. Bro, it's starting to get cool, bro. It wasn't like this in Toronto, bro. It's like September already, eh? Yeah, like bro. I brought a hoodie. I'm like, I'm not trying to get sick out this joint. If it don't look too poppin'.
Can we get in that go-to spot and have a look without paying? Yo, do we get
the next spot, the playroom? Can we get into playroom for free and type shit and just?
I don't think it's for free. It's probably done.
So you might as well go to Noto.
Get a Noto for free.
Noto, we're Noto. We got Noto. We're free. Noto, we're free.
Oh,
Oh,
free?
Noto.
Yeah.
All right, man. Yo, let's just go there. Come
Noto.
on.
It makes sense.
months ago. 75 way and push us, we left in.
No, we from
That was me.
Tell them again.
That was me that gave me 75 way.
Okay, we from Toronto.
Back to back.
We from the 6 back to back.
I made rice and peas a couple days ago. Yeah.
I gotta taste it because
But I gotta perfect it first. I gotta put more. I feel like
milk.
yeah.
People, day 2. Let's go. So the back blocks are looking. Empty lots, yeah. Let's go in the store. See if we can get something to eat, you know? How you doing? Hey, we doing? Thank you. I'm good. One thing about Philly I like is that a man like me, I fit right in. I literally fit right in. If you know, you know. Chinese. $10.99. Let's see what I got. Vegan Fest, let's go.
Okay, we almost there. It looks really good. It looks really good. But we can go even crazy. Ready? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, Philly. I'll fuck with Philly though, you know. I'm from the right. Y'all know that? I'm from the right. Philly like similar to the right. Y'all brass funk, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I'm trying to turn over to y'all stiff as hell. Hey look, we finna turn up that last song, power out your motherfucking party, come on. We power out your party, I'm with the dick, and this gon' be ours. Man, motherfucker, don't sense. See a reacher, but you still can't mix. I'm spinning bread, please still can't mix, please. Lamborghini keys, started giving ice and it come out to me, please. On the mail with the beats, and put you in the bank on the thumb on the D. Take a little sip. What's up, Philly? Rich nigga, ain't figure that's good time.
Pussy Clyde, what's up? What's your name? You too lit. I ain't with it. Alright, be safe, man. Yeah, man. Alright, later.
Young buddy fam. How about this?
I'm not tell them. You see, it is BYOB. Means a few things. Bring your own bitch, bring that own buckle, nigga.
Feel it with that.
Bring your own bra. You see? You see?
Brawling.
Yeah, man. Bring your own brawling mentality, dog.
Shit.
Keep